Mistplay games can freeze mid-match even when the Mistplay app itself is still responding, and the quickest fix is usually to restart the game and check the connection before changing anything else. By the end, you'll know which steps to try when a game freezes during gameplay, and when the problem is more likely coming from the game itself rather than Mistplay. First, completely close the frozen game. Don't just switch back to the Mistplay app. Open your phone's recent apps screen, remove the game, then launch it again through Mistplay. If the game freezes again, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. A connection that drops or becomes unstable can interrupt gameplay, especially when the game requires a constant connection to its servers. Next, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that can interfere with a game running in the background. After the restart, open Mistplay first, and launch the same game again. If the freeze only happens in one specific game, test another game through Mistplay. If other games run normally, that points toward a problem with the individual game, rather than the entire Mistplay app. There's another thing to check: available storage. When your phone is nearly full, apps and games can have trouble creating temporary files or installing required updates. Free up unnecessary photos, videos, downloads, or unused apps. Then try the game again. You should also check for updates in your device's app store. Look for updates for both Mistplay and the game that keeps freezing. If an update is available, install it before testing again. If the game still freezes, clear the app's cache if your Android device provides that option. Go to Settings, Open Apps, select the affected game, choose Storage, and look for Clear Cache. Avoid choosing Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored game information. The key points are simple. Restart the affected game completely, test your connection, and compare the problem with another Mistplay game. If only one game keeps freezing while others work normally, focus your troubleshooting on that specific game. Your next step is to close the frozen game, restart your phone, and launch it again from Mistplay. If this fixed the problem, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.